Number 15 says identify the type of transformation. We're going from xy to x and 2.4y. Because we are changing the y value, we're going to be dealing with something vertical. Okay, so we have either a stretch or compression. Because the value is greater than 1, then we are going to have a vertical stretch. Okay, so this one is a vertical stretch because I'm looking at this value right here, 2.4, and it's greater than 1. So since 2.4 is greater than 1, okay, it's a stretch. Okay, try your number 15. Number 16 says identify the type of transformation. Okay, so again, we're looking at what we're changing. So we're changing y by 0.4 or 4/10. Okay, so that one is going to be a vertical compression. Okay, it's vertical because it's y, and it's a compression because 0.4, 4/10 is greater than 0, but it's less than 1. Okay, so we're going to have a compression. Okay, try your number 16. Number 17, identify the type of transformation that could move the point 7, 7 to 9, 7. Okay, so if we had the point 7, 7, okay, and it was moved to 9, 7, okay, that would indicate a horizontal stretch. Okay, because the point actually moved out, so it's stretching it out. So we move from there to there, and it's horizontal, okay, because we're only moving in a horizontal fashion. We didn't move up and down, we moved side to side, which is horizontal. Okay, so try your number 17. Number 18, identify the type of transformation that can move the point 5, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 9 would be here. And we're moving it to 1, 9. Okay, 1, 9 would be here. Okay, so we're moving it from here to there. Okay, so that would be a horizontal compression. Okay, notice the stretch went out, the compression goes in. Okay, they're both horizontal though. Okay, try your number 18. Number 19, identify the type of transformation that can move the point 8, 2. So 8, 2 would be here to 8, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we're moving from this point here, 8, 2, up to 8, 6. Okay. So that would be a vertical stretch. Okay, so notice we're going vertically now, so it's a vertical stretch. Okay, try your number 19. Number 20 says identify the type of transformation that could move the point 6, 2 to 6, 1. Okay, so we have 6, 2, which is right here. Okay, the point 6, 1 would be right here. Okay, so we're going down from there, down. Okay, so that would be a vertical compression. Okay, notice the pattern. When we move vertical, up is stretch and down is compression. So we're moving from here down to here, that's compressing. Okay. Try your number 20. Number 21 says a stretch maps point A to A prime. Where does the same transformation map point B? Okay, so to get from here to here, what did we do? Okay, so we're taking a look at the change. So this is X and Y, okay, for my A value. Okay, my new value is same X value, so X stays the same, but what did I do to Y? So what would I have to do to Y to get from -9 to -18? Okay, so if I did 2Y, 2 times negative 9 would give me negative 18. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing to these numbers here. So I'm going to have b, which is 2, negative 6. They're asking me what b prime is, so I'm going to do 2 and then 2 times negative 6. Okay, so that means I have 2 and negative 12. Okay, so my answer is 2 and negative 12. Okay, go ahead and try your number 21. 22 says a compression maps point D onto D prime. Where does the same transformation map point E? Okay, so a compression, I know the number is going to be smaller. Okay, the last one was bigger, and this bigger than 1. This one's going to have to be smaller than 1. So D started out as 30 and 3. And then we went to D prime, which is 6, 3. Okay, so this is my x and y. Okay, in order to get here though, okay, I have the same y value. Notice I have 3 here and 3 here, so y stayed the same. Okay, but I did something to x. I did something to x. Okay, so I multiplied x by 1/5. Okay, or I divided it by 5. 30 divided by 5 would give you 6. So I multiplied by 1/5. I could also have written this as 0.2x comma y. Okay. So if I do the same thing to E, I have negative 25 comma negative 9 for E. Okay, and I'm going to do for E prime, I'm going to have 0.2 times negative 25, because that's my x value, comma negative 9. Okay, so negative 25 times 0.2, or divided by 5, or multiplied by 1/5, which are all interchangeable, would give you negative 5. Okay, and then 9, of course, negative 9 stays the same. Okay, so E prime is negative 5, comma, negative 9. Okay, go ahead and try your number 22. Okay, last question, number 23. If the following transformations are done on a parabola, for each one, does the parabola become wider or narrower? Okay, so think of a parabola. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw 2 parabolas for you. So we have a parabola. They're not perfect, sorry. Okay, we could have a couple different parabolas. They could open up or down, so it's not really going to matter. So just taking a look at that shape, a horizontal compression. Okay, a horizontal compression, of course, is going to make it narrower. Okay, because we're going to be compressing it. So basically think of pushing the sides in. Okay, compressing. If we were to do a horizontal stretch, we would be stretching that U shape out, so it would make it wider. Okay, if we did a vertical stretch, it's going to become narrower. And if we did a vertical compression, it's going to become wider. Okay, notice they're complete opposites. Okay, the horizontal compression makes it narrower, while the vertical compression makes it wider. A horizontal stretch made it wider, but a vertical stretch made it narrower. Okay, this completes the examples for classwork 1-8.